Power BI is a business analytics tool developed by Microsoft that allows users to visualize and analyze data from a wide range of sources. It provides a comprehensive suite of features and functionalities for data preparation, data modeling, interactive data visualization, and sharing of insights. Power BI enables users to create report, dashboard, and visualization, making it easier to derive actionable insights from data and share them with others. Users can explore data through interactive visuals such as charts, graphs, maps, and tables, enabling better understanding and analysis of data. You can also do the real-time monitoring, which means that allowing user to track key matrices and performance indicators in real time. This helps in proactive decision making and quick identification of trends or anomalies. Power BI enables users to collaborate on report and dashboard, share them with colleagues, and control access to data and insight. Power BI provides mobile application for iOS and Android devices, allowing users to access and interact with the reports and dashboards on the go. This ensures that insights are available anywhere, anytime. Power BI also integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft products such as Excel, Azure, SharePoint. This enhances data analysis and visualization capabilities. There are various types of Power BI reports that cater to different analytics needs. Power BI interactive reports, user can drill down, filter, slice and dice to gain deeper insight. Paginated reports are optimized for printing and generating PDFs. They can typically be used for the operational or transaction reporting scenarios that require fixed layouts and so on. Of course, the analytical dashboard, which is one of the core features of Power BI, and dashboards provide a consolidated view of key matrices in a single canvas. Users can create interactive dashboards to monitor performance and track important KPIs. Power BI offers mobile optimized layouts, allowing users to view and interact with reports on mobile devices. Mobile reports are designed to provide seamless experience on small screens. Then as embedded reports, Power BI enables the embedding of reports into the other applications, website or portal, extending the reach to data insight to external users. Users can create ad hoc reports on fly by dragging and dropping data fields, visualizations and filters. Provides flexibility on the demand for analysis. Let us understand the Power BI process now. Process of capturing the data from the data sources. The Power BI process includes the data preparation, which means that you can capture the data from various resources, and these resources could be business applications or any other database. It could be Oracle database, SQL database, MySQL, or any database which you are using in your company. And when I talk about other resources, it could be your Excel sheets, TXT files, PDF, CSV, Microsoft Access, or any other platform. Extract the data and you bring into the Power BI. So there are transformation techniques that I'll be explaining you. And from there, you can create various reports, scorecards, dashboards. These are all the visualization techniques. So these are data preparation techniques and these are data transformation techniques, and then you use the data visualization techniques. And the moment you are satisfied with this, then you publish it to the business users. Process of Power BI is simple. It is from the data to the decision, which means that you collect the data, you prepare the data, you analyze the data, you visualize the data, and then you publish the data. So if I talk about Power BI architecture, the same diagram that I showed you before, it is further explanation to it. You can have the data sources on cloud. So there could be any data source on the cloud. It could be on AWS, it could be Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, or anywhere on the web. You can have the data sources. Then you can have the Azure resources of the data. You might have Excel files in OneDrive. And then you might have on-premises databases, SharePoint list, or on-premises Excel files. You might have some SQL analysis services. And from there, everything is fetched and goes to the Power BI as a service. So in Power BI service, once you have all these data sets, from data sets you create the report, from report you create the dashboard, and then you distribute it, and end users are able to access these dashboards or reports using the Power BI Windows application, which is not the desktop application, Windows application, only to consume the reports and dashboards. And then you might have the Power BI app for the iPhone or Android, or even you might have the Power BI app for the tablets. So they can also access the Power BI dashboards in the browser. So users are connecting to the Power BI service, and the developer is connecting to various resources and bringing all of that. Now, if you see here, users are not exposed to the backend architecture, that how the reports are being generated and processed. So you can use the Power BI on desktop for free. It doesn't need any license. It doesn't need anything to be purchased. Power BI Cloud. If you want to distribute or share the reports with others, there are three type of licenses. Power BI free, which doesn't need any subscription. You can use it online also, but you won't be able to share it with others. 1 GB is available on free, 10 GB is available on pro, and Power BI Premium is 100 TB. All of them can use desktop. Desktop is for free. Development features are of course for free, and then direct query, gateways, and all of this is available only to the pro users. So all of this will help you to with the Power BI service on real time, and then of course you will have workspaces to share the data with your colleagues